Okay, on today's video, I'm going to show you how to use wildcards for Dosbox, and Dosbox uses DOS commands. So you can use this to find specific files to run the program, or find specific files, or find the folder that you want that has the application that you want to run. So let's start. So I just press dir here, and I want to go to Action Games. This is my folder for my DOSBox games. So I want to find something specific instead of going through all this. I want to find a game called David Wolf Secret Agent. dir David, I type asterisk dot asterisk. This is the folder that I find. I could also type David asterisk, and I come up with the same thing. So I go into this directory instead of looking for each individual thing, which is time consuming. This is just a lot more efficient. It's David Wolf Secret Agent, and I want to find the file that the .exe file to run the program, instead of like looking through all this, which is time consuming. It's like finding a needle in a haystack, and it's not efficient. So I type in dir asterisk dot exe, and these are all the exe files that are within this folder. So I just type in agent to run the program. Let's see if there's any other type of files. .com files is also used to run programs. So dir asterisk dot com. So we have a file called install.com. This is a program they use to set up or install the program to change the parameters, like the graphics card, the video card, and stuff like that. Video, sound, or install the program on a specific folder on a hard drive. Okay, so that we found. Let's say I want to find another game called Operation Wolf. I'll call it op wolf. Okay, cd op wolf. Let's say I want to find a specific set of files on this folder, game folder. We'll use another thing called we'll use this command, dir. I want to find everything with full, called map info, dir map info. This, to be more specific, dot, the extension of the file. So these are all the files that have an extension for that. See, I want to be more specific, called map. So if I just put one question mark into this would not work, because this is very specific. So map info 1 is, that's the one I want to find. See if that works. Okay, I was very specific and wanted to find that one file. So it's a map. If I just put map.cmp, this won't work. So if I put dir map, if I put, it has to be the exact number of the length of the file name, 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 dots cmp. this would work because I was very specific. So let's try something else. Okay, we went through that, so forget about it now. So I want to find something called wolf info. DIR wolf. No, that's just two. Okay, DIR wolf, and let's see how long the characters are. 1, 2, 3, 4. So those are the two files that are associated with wolf, and that with the extension of .cmp. So for here, I want to find the exe file, dir *.exe. Okay, we have spwolf, 3098 bytes, wolf.exe with 45,198 bytes. That would be the file that you use to run the program. Let's see if there's anything else. .com. Okay, sometimes COM files are used to run the program. So you could be more efficient in finding what you need to run games by using wildcards and Dosbox. And this could save you a lot of time. You don't have to look for the file specifically, which is, I think, a waste of time. That's what I used to do back in the days when I was using MS-DOS. One of the problems that I had was finding the file to run the game. Unlike today, when you have a program installed on Windows, you have an icon like this and you can just click on it. Back in the old DOS days, back in the 1980s and 1990s, early 1990s, we couldn't do that. We just had to use commands to run programs. And one of the ways we got around it was using wildcards to find stuff. See, I want to find a game called Heart of China. Heart. Here it is. I'm in here. And again, sometimes it's not that hard to find the exe files. You can just find it like that. But when you have a lot of files, sometimes it's hard to find. So dir. Okay, that's what I would use to run the program. So it's as simple as that. So anyways, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section. And thanks for watching my Ace 1000 KS.